So I cleaned it, and then I sanded it with 2000 grit sandpaper. So this thing was in a crash. It's repaired here. It's repaired up here. Repaired over here. And it's got some deep scratches in it. But then it's got all these chips. So the sanding is so I can spray it with clear coat. But I want to touch up these chips before I respray it. Stuff like this bothers me. So what I found is in the model paint section, test stores, this is called red, and it's the same color. So you can get touch-up paint wherever they got model stuff. So I've done this before. Since the panel's damaged, I'm not really scared. So a little paint. I got these paint brushes. And I got some paint thinner. So you got some different variations in colors going on here. So this is the sanded portion. And then where you get over here where it gets shiny, they mixed clear coat and red to go over. That's a blending technique. And then down here you have the original red with some red with clear coat in it. So when the touch-up's dry, they're gonna look shiny like this part. But when you spray everything with the clear, it'll all just blend together. Trust me. Done it before. They did a pretty good job on their fiberglass repair. I'm not upset. Why would I be? If I want show panels, I'll buy show panels, but kind of like the I done crashed it look. Makes me less likely to crash it, I hope. Already been crashed. You clear coat over these stickers, and when I was sanding over them, the goo started to blend in and turned them a little pink. For the life of me, I can't get the pink off, but that's okay too. So here's the other panel. This one sustained less damage, so it sands easier. But I think this is common. Looks to be the way they rolled it. But again, this has blended clear coat on there, so when you sand it, it turns red, which is not what we want, but it's part of what happens sometimes. So the paint on this one is dry. So I'm gonna let that one dry, and then I I think tomorrow I'm going to be painting truck parts. Pretty sure tomorrow I'm going to be painting truck parts. So that means probably Sunday or Monday I can move that stuff out and move this stuff in and get it sprayed. I might even find room while I'm doing it. Just depends. I'll bring you back when it's finished. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. So that's all for today's episode on the Ducati modifications. Thanks for watching. If you like anything you see, hit the like button. It's over here. And if you want to keep getting notifications and getting told that there's a new video, hit the subscribe button. It's over here. I appreciate it. Thanks. Y'all take care. Oh, let me check my hair. No, not too bad.